Hello everyone, welcome to the solutions video. In this question, you are to create a program that determines how many paint cans we need. Each plank of the fence requires one paint can. However, your supplier only sells paint can by the dozen, which is 12 many, for $14.95. There are 3 fence sections, and their length of the fence will be a series of letter Fs, denoting each fence plank. Okay, and we're going to output how many cans we need, how many paint cans we have left over, and how much it would cost in total. So I have a sample input here. One side has 2 planks, the other has 4, the other has 6, so altogether that's 12. We only need to buy 1 dozen, so we need 12 cans, and we have 0 leftover of cans, and that's going to cost us $14.95. Without knowing any of the inputs, and it can be any series of Fs, we're going to create a program that will help us calculate what we need. Let's start off with our input. Quick and simple, we just need side 1, and it's just an input. Side 2, input, and side 3 as an input as well. They're all going to be series of Fs, so they're going to be strings. I can't convert that to a float nor an integer. And now we're going to get to our processing. At this moment, what I want to do is count how many Fs, how many planks I have, and we're going to store that in a variable. So let's go planks is equal to the length of side 1. Because side 1 is a string data type, so we're going to count how many characters it has, and it's going to be a series of Fs. So if it had 2 Fs, that means we have 2 planks on side 1. And with the same logic, we're going to go side 2 and plus side length though, side 3. So we just determined how many paint cans we would need. Now we're going to calculate how many paint cans we would have left over. So to do that, let's say boxes of paint, which is just equal to our planks divided by 12. Okay. Now, sometimes if it doesn't divide by 12 perfectly, it's going to give us a number. What we're going to do is go round. Actually, let's do something better. We're going to go math.ceil because I want to always round up, right? Let's say I needed 1.2 boxes. Well, that's impossible. Like, the supplier is not going to sell us 1.2 box. Therefore, I want to divide it by 2, then round up on every calculation. Since I'm using a math function, I'm going to import math up at the top of my program now. So I've imported math. I've calculated how many boxes that I bought. I need to now calculate the leftover. Leftover is equal to the boxes paint times 12 subtracted by the number of planks that we have. And that's going to give us the leftover. We're going to have boxes multiplied by 12, then take away the planks, and that's going to be our leftover. And our total cost after all that is just equal to the boxes paint multiplied by each one costs $14.95. Let's do our output now. So print. There are fences. Or paint cans needed. Because to paint all those planks. On our second line, we're gonna go print. There are leftover paint can left over. Print total cost. Just total cost. Let's try this program out. So if I had 2 there, 4 there, 6 there, there are 12 paint cans needed, there are 0 paint cans left over, and the total cost was $14.95. Let's try it with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, 11. All right. So there are 23 paint cans needed. There are only 1 paint can left over, and total cost was $29.9. So Basically, we bought 2 boxes, we used 23 of them, and we have 1 left over. So, this was the solutions to our fence painting problem. Thank you for watching and stay classy.